We built this AI voice receptionist that replaced our receptionist. And let's check out the performance.
Thank you for calling Namey. This is Chris. How can I help you?
Hi, Chris. I want to check on my company's Net 30 credit amount.
I can help with that. To access your Net 30 account information, I'll need to verify your identity. Do you have your company name and account number, or perhaps your phone number, EIN, or company address?
Sure, the company name is Acme Corporation. I'm not sure of the account number. Can you help me with that?
I understand you don't have the account number. Do you have the phone number, EIN, or company address associated with Acme Corporation?
Yes, our phone number is 1 800 555 1234.
One moment while I verify your account information. Thank you for your patience. I've retrieved the information for Acme Corporation. Your account status is current and your Net 30 credit limit, or original loan amount, is $5,000.
Excellent. We've been looking to use our Net 30 credit limit for your marketing services. Particularly, we want to start an email campaign. Is that something that I can use my Net 30 with?
Yes, you can absolutely use your Net 30 credit for our email marketing services. Our email marketing services include up to 5 emails per month, drafting engaging content, persona and messaging that suits your brand, professional email template design, email list provider setup, email nurturing setup, using automation, and monitoring and reporting. There is a $1,000 monthly fee and a $500 sign-up fee.
Okay. Will my Net 30 account, since I have the 5 grand, will it cover all of those expenses? It sounded like 1,500.
Yes, your $5,000 Net 30 credit limit will cover the $1,000 monthly fee and the $500 sign-up fee for our email marketing services.
Excellent. How do I get started?
To get started, you would need to make a purchase of the email marketing services. Since you have an existing Net 30 account, you can proceed with placing an order for the service, and it will be applied to your account. Would
Okay.
you like to do that now?
Yes, I would love to
Great.
do that.
To confirm, you would like to use your Net 30 account to purchase the email marketing services, which has a $1,000 monthly fee and a $500 sign-up fee. Is that correct?
That's correct.
I have processed your request to purchase the email marketing services using your Net 30 account. You should receive an email confirmation shortly with the details of your purchase. Please note that your Net 30 account will be charged accordingly. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to net30@nameynot.com.
So as you can see, we tailor this toward our company, and we do offer Net 30 terms for a select few of our marketing services. So imagine if you had, say, a law firm or a doctor's office, dentist's office. You can cut down on some of the load that you're giving some of your actual human receptionists and give them some of the tedious calls to the AI receptionist. Anything that needs escalation, then we can put that onto the human receptionist to make your workflow more efficient, save more time, and even more importantly, you can do this 24/7. This is an employee that doesn't require breaks, that doesn't require vacation, and they can be an essential part of your team, such as scheduling bookings and answering tedious or frequently asked questions. If you want to know more about this, type AI in the comments and I'll DM you the information.